Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title, I'm gonna be showing you how I'm gonna be making some ribs, some baby back ribs, and this is another idea for anyone that wants to follow our the keto diet or whatever. This is a good idea if you don't want to get bored and you want to learn another recipe. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be making. So these ribs we bought at Walmart market, and they're the baby back ribs, pork loin back ribs, and we bought 2 pounds. So first thing I'm gonna be doing is I am going to open the package and then put them in some water so they can cook. So okay guys, so I am cutting them into little pieces. If they're like way too small, then I'm doing like 2 at a time, but for the most part I'm just gonna cut them up like in between the huesito. Damn, they have a lot of meat. And you just do this to all of them. Si tuviera cuchillos mejores estaría bien, pero...
Agarré un serrucho por eso.
Okay, then now that you have this, you're gonna put it to cook. Nathan, shh. You're gonna get water.
¿Vas a enjuagarlas?
¿Qué? ¿Qué las enjuagar?
Oh.
Okay. And you're gonna fill them up as long as they're like covered a little bit, they're good. Okay, so now that you have it.
Me gustan tus chanclas.
Thank you. I got them on sale.
Qué bonitas.
Thank you, Mommy. You bought it. Haha.
So just about this much. Just as long as they're covered, they're good.
Ya. Déjale más agua para que se cosan bien, perronas.
Okay, like this much. Not too much because si no se desbaratan. So now that you have that in water, you're gonna add some consomme.
Oh.
Or nortuita, whatever you want to call it.
Horcado de pollo.
No one calls it what it is.
So, son costillas de pollo.
Ah, we just do the flavor. He makes fun of me because he says that I add it to everything.
You do.
Comment down below if you
Dude,
do.
you put, I'm surprised you haven't used it on your cereal.
So you're just gonna, pues le vas a más o menos tú, you know, however much salt you want.
Don't make it salty.
Add a little bit, maybe like 2 cucharadas, 2 tablespoons.
Yeah.
You don't know who's making them. And you're gonna let it cook for about an hour. I put it on high, but you can put, well no, you put it on medium. Just put it on medium, like this. And just wait for them to cook. Hey guys, so after about an hour, now they're ready. It's okay if there's still some water left. You don't have to let like the water disappear or anything, but next thing you're gonna do is take them out. But before you do that, I did want to tell you guys to check if they're ready. How you know that they're ready is the carne has to look white. In some parts it might be like slightly a little pink, but for the most part it should be white. Very, you know, just make sure it's white, not pink, because I don't want to tell you guys, you know, something to get. If you Google it, it'll tell you exactly how it's supposed to look, but it tells you that it's supposed to be like whitish. Let me see, ahorita le corto un pedacito aquí so you guys can see. Okay. So see, okay, see how this is like how it looks white. This is how it's supposed to look. That's how you know it's ready. So once it's ready, le puedes chequear por la sal. The amount that I put is perfect. So if you guys did follow my tip to add two cucharadas, you should be good. So now what you want to do, so now you're gonna bake them, and it doesn't really like matter too much a cuánto las pongas, but just so that the sauce could like soak into them a little bit, because they're already cooked, so it doesn't really like make that much of a difference. It's just to like for the sauce to mix. We're going to put it at 400, 405. Doesn't really matter, like I said. Timer. Okay, so it's preheating right now. And then for the time, you're just gonna put 10 minutes. 10 minutes is fine. Okay, so now you're gonna get it. Oh yeah, wherever you make, like wherever you bake and like your stuff, your plato or your olla, whatever you call it.
Just make sure it's glass, ceramic,
yeah,
or
that
metal.
goes into the bake. What's that?
Baker?
The oven.
To the baker.
Okay. So now I'm gonna start by placing my ribs on the little plato.
These are pork ribs, by the way.
Yes, they're pork ribs.
You didn't have a chance to edit, huh?
No.
Because you woke up at 8.
Yeah,
because of my fault.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm glad you know.
She's a liar. Es una lía.
Who is a lot? Okay, so we're gonna put sauce on these.
Some hot sauce in my burrito, baby.
And because we are doing the keto diet, we're not gonna be using barbecue sauce because obviously barbecue sauce is sweet, which means it contains sugar
and carbs. Sorry.
So this is why we're gonna be using this hot wing sauce, and hopefully it's good.
It's pork wings.
Yeah, so hopefully it's good. It doesn't have any carb. Oh, it has 1 carb, and then it doesn't have any sugar. So that's good. Here I go. Oh, I'm kind of nervous.
Ooh, we have one. What's up? You know that we're barbecuers when you have one of those.
You can always add some at the end, like for your
own taste.
And then we're gonna place the other ones on top of these.
Te quedan 7 minutes in the timer.
7 minutes. Okay.
¿Eso ya son todas?
Yep.
That was what, how many pounds?
2 pounds.
Including the bone. So we're getting about 1.5 pounds of meat.
Yeah, because they're small. It's just that they have a lot of meat.
It's because we got them from where? Walmart.
Walmart.
They have these as
Super
a premium, premium extra meat.
So I'm gonna be placing. Oh shit, it's fucking hot. I'm placing them in the oven now, like that, and then you just wait. Now I'm gonna be I'm gonna be boiling some broccoli so we can eat as our side.
You're gonna fry it or you're gonna boil it?
Boil it.
So you need to add water, obviously.
Yes, I'm gonna add water. My little Nathan loves broccoli.
With cream cheese.
Yeah, Flaco? Yep, broccoli makes you strong, everybody. So this is basically what I'm going to be doing. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to boil broccoli. Basically, just put it in water and then let it boil until it gets soft, and then that's it. It's ready. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll show you guys the end result.
What you doing, huh?
So right now I'm going to show you guys what we add to our meal. So right here I have the Philadelphia cream cheese, and I have some butter. This is a Kerrygold butter.
Grass-fed.
Siempre. So what I'm gonna do first, since the broccoli is really hot right now, I'm gonna get my pinzas. And I'm gonna get some broccoli. Serve it on the plate. Is that okay? And then I'm gonna add some butter. Oh, it's so messy. About this much of butter. And then I'm just gonna let it melt on the broccoli. And then I'm going to get my ribs. So this is Sergio's plate, so he's gonna tell me how much he wants. So does it matter, Sergio?
No.
This one?
No.
And then
2 more. That one and another one.
And this one. I'm gonna be adding some more wing sauce.
That's it.
Okay. And this is our keto diet, you guys. Our keto meal.
We got the cream cheese.
Oh wait, sorry. And then also we add some cream cheese. We just added on the side. So we're gonna be adding about this much right here. And that's it. This is what our keto dinner looks like. And yeah, the butter is still melting. But this is gonna be so good. ¿Te lo estás saboreando?
Yeah.
And yeah, so this is the ribs, the cream cheese, and the broccoli. So bomb. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you guys give this this recipe a try. Tag me if you do on Instagram, or send me a DM. Pretty easy to do, and it's really good. Don't forget to shop my boutique. I do have new arrivals for you. For those of you that are new, I do have an online store. And you guys can use code YouTube for 15% off and free shipping. So yeah, I think with that, I'll just talk to you guys next time. Bye. Okay?
What?